When it comes to electronic gimbals, they can be an essential tool for stabilizing a video until something breaks. Hey everyone, what's going on? Welcome to Lights and Buttons, and in today's video, we will be repairing the FeiyuTech AK2000, which I have here in front of me. The first three things you see, the tripod legs, the mounting plate, as well as the handle, those are operating fine. The problem lies in this top section where the pins are, and what happened was that last time I was using this, one of the pins got bent, so that's definitely no good. I contacted FeiyuTech and they sent me a replacement part, so we're gonna go ahead and do the replacement today in this video. Before you start, obviously you need the replacement part, which looks like this. It has pins on both sides, and we'll be replacing this exact part inside the top section of the gimbal. You'll also need a 2mm hex screwdriver or a hex key set, along with a Phillips screwdriver. First, we're going to take out these 4 screws. Next, we'll pull this apart. Just need a little bit of force, not too much. Something small to note when you put this back together, in addition to the screw holes aligning, make sure the pins will align as well. Inside this cap, take out the 4 screws with your Phillips screwdriver. So now we can replace the bad board with the good one. After you take the screws out, this thing will just fall right out, and you just align the pins of the good one into the slot and just drop it in. Reversing the steps, we'll put these 4 screws back in. These pins stick out from the edge, so you want to be really careful with them and not break it like I did. Next, you want to line the pins up with this and slide this back together. Put these screws back in. Finally, last but not least, reassemble the gimbal. Alright, and the transplant has been completed. Mr. Gimbal, how do you feel? Do you feel much better? Good. Any pain? No. Okay, great. Thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe as always. I'll see you next time.